Face coal, also known as pulverized coal, refers to coal in the form of powder. The method is to measure the voltage of the power line at one end of the ball machine with a multimeter when the ball machine is on load, and observe whether the voltage is within the permissible range of the ball machine. In particular, it is necessary to note that when the outdoor ball machine is heated to start or stop, the power consumption is very far apart. The outdoor ball machine power supply must be considered in the most severe environment of the ball machine needs the maximum power supply rate. When the mains voltage fluctuation exceeds the range of 5% minus 10%, we should set the AC voltage regulator. This time can install the UPS uninterrupted stable power supply.